and welcome to Retro Bike Stuff. Today we're looking at an Artisan 3000H. It's the second one ever we had in. It's a fully electric bike with a range of about 80 kilometers out of the battery. You can get a second battery to get over that, so around 140, 150 kilometers out of one tank, let's say, or one charge. It's in completely mint condition really. It's a 192, so it's just a year old now, come 2020. It's only done 3,000 kilometers, so in around 1,600 miles, a bit less than that. We have good tyres front and rear. We've had a look over it, and the good thing with these, there's no servicing to them really. Just make sure brake pads and tyres are really, that's it. You have the wonders of an electric brushless motor, and batteries. So if a battery goes, you just buy a new one. A new battery is about €100. We have nice racks on the rear and the front, as you can see, so you can mount a back box or extra carrying capacity, as you don't have any real space underneath the seat, which I will try and show you now. That's where your battery goes, and you have your charging point and everything in there too. Apart from that, that's really it with it. It's capable of exactly 50 kilometers an hour, uphill, downhill. That's what it's limited to. Visual wise, front tires really good. Front mudguard and the mudguard guard in good condition. No real marks to make note of. Full LED lights all around, indicators, front headlamp, everything like that, all LED. Right hand side of the bike, all really good. You have two keys with it as well. Down the footwell area, all really clean. Right hand side plastics here, all really good. Seat has no rips or tears in it. Nice brown seat to go with the white. Around the back then you have the 192 with all your LEDs, and your rear tire here, which is perfect as well. Left hand side then, plastics, no marks really to make note of. Some very minor superficial things. I'll try to get it now. The sun's probably blocking it, so there's one there, and there, and there. Left hand side of the footwell area, all really good. And that's it. And you'll see up the top then your original chrome mirrors, indicators on left hand side, and you've horn on left and right with only 3,706 kilometers. So that's it for the visual analysis of the Artisan 3000H 2019 model. We'll now move on to the ride along video.
Okay, so we're just about to get onto the Artisan 3000H, and the first thing you'll probably notice is if you're used to mopeds or scooters or anything like that, or if it's even your first time, that she's very easy to turn on. So what you'll do is you'll get up to the bike, make sure the kill switch is in the on position, the run position. That's off, completely off, no power will go to the bike at all. And now we have power. So all you do is turn the ignition on once, and your power is now on. So we can indicate out left, and because it's an electric bike, there'll be no noise. Let me just adjust this mirror here. There we go. So no noise, which is very strange, especially for me. Having ridden laid bikes this whole time, to go to this, which is just completely silent. You have to be careful of pedestrians when you're on these things, because no one can hear anything. So as I said in the visual analysis, it will get up to 50 kilometers an hour, and that's what it's limited at. If you de-restrict it, I'm sure you'll get a lot more, because there's plenty of power in the bike. As you'll see as we pull away, you'll see then how much charge is left in the battery then too there. We're at about 3/4 full, because we did just have a charge of it. But we're now doing 50 kilometers an hour uphill, which is a lot better. We had the other Artisan 3000, that one did max 45. That one was that's the one that was limited to, sorry. And this one seems to be limited to 50 kilometers an hour, and that extra 5 kilometers an hour does make a big difference. We are looking into how we can de-restrict them, legally that is, and we haven't really found anything quite yet. So the 50 kilometers an hour is what we'll have to deal with, and if any of you do know how to de-restrict them, please do let us know in the comment section below. We would really like to know that. Going forward, as you can see, 50 kilometers an hour downhill as well as uphill. But it's important to note that while you can only do 50 kilometers an hour, because it's an electric bike, there's plenty of torque there and there's plenty of power to get you to that 50 kilometers an hour, so you get there very, very quickly. Let me just get the turn. It's a nice handling bike too as well. As you can see, I'm going into the corners fairly hastily, up and over the ramps and bumps easy enough. And what we're going to do is we're going to get up to here, up to this left hand turn here. I'm going to pull in, pull over and see what she looks like on the road as well. Let's go over all the electrics on her as well. I'm going to pull in left here, do a shoulder check, and I'm just going to pull up here and leave the bike here. Super, super quiet. Right, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to get a picture now for the YouTube thumbnail. A good time for it, about golden hour I would say nearly. So this picture should come out fairly nice. And it does. And so we'll go over the electric. So the bike is on, no idling or anything like that, with an electric bike. So you have your front left indicator, as you can see, nice LEDs, and the rear right even, if I said left I'm sorry. And there's the left, and the left again. We'll do the horn. Horn is working. There's your lamp or your front light here, and we turn it on to high beam, and there's your high beam LED bulb. So that's it for all the electrics as well. Apart from that, there you have side light. You can turn it on, turn off the lights completely if you like. Just leave them on for your daytime running. Well, that's really it for the Artisan 3000H. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below on what do you think of these bikes, and if you know how to de-restrict these things. Also, if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. They'll all be linked in the description below, so if you do want to find us, just go down there and have a click. So if you have enjoyed the video, again, like and subscribe, and if that's really it. And if you have any other questions, again, comment section below. Good luck.